Hey everyone, my name is Joseph and this is my mom, Rena. Today we're making sourdough seed culture from scratch. You can make bread, donuts, brownies, and cookies.
Anything that uses flour.
Yes, anything that uses flour.
So to start with, what do we need?
So we need 1 cup, 119 grams of whole wheat flour.
Okay.
And a half a cup of unsweet pineapple juice. 119 grams. It is known as 119.
All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to put the flour in here and measure it.
So we're going to fill this thing up. Oops.
It's okay. A little too much. Let's just take some out. There you go.
Now we landed on 119.
Then, this is already measured to a half a cup.
Yes.
Okay. Pour it in.
So we pour this in.
Then mix.
And mix it up. Mix and mix and mix and mix. Mix and mix and mix and mix. Mix and mix and mix and mix. Mixing. And when is it done yet?
Gotta get all the flour incorporated. Gotta get all, which means all the flour needs to be wet. No white spots.
Okay. I got it. Mix and mix. Looks done to me.
There, we're showing.
And this is what it looks like. Ah! I like
Then,
the texture.
We're gonna put it in your jar. We
Put
have
it in my
we got a pint jar.
pint jar.
This will work first, but we'll have to get a bigger jar as the week goes on.
And week goes on, so we're gonna need a bigger jar.
Okay, now poke it in there, nice, flatten it out.
So I like mushing it like cold grind corn back in the old days.
All right, and then we're gonna take a marker here and make a line where the dough is at,
Ow.
like this. No, just make one line. And we know how much it will rise by tomorrow. So we're just gonna cover this with a coffee filter, and we're gonna set it on the counter, and we're gonna wait until tomorrow.
Yeah, wait until. See you tomorrow.